Hey! Today we are going to be making stuffed bell peppers with chicken and cheese. Let's go!
For starters, you have to cut your peppers in half and remove the seeds. In a bowl, stir together the shredded chicken, cheddar cheese, blue cheese, ranch, buffalo sauce, crushed tortilla chips, and salt.
Creo que le faltaba el chile.
Sticky? Sour? Okay, good.
So this clip is going to be muted because I literally just kept yapping about how much I like bell peppers. But I will rate this a 9 out of 10. I generally liked it. For me, this seems more like a small snack. But this meal is meant for weight loss. The blue cheese, I didn't really like it. So I avoided it when eating it. But other than that, I liked it. So the cheddar cheese had around 110 calories, the blue cheese had 73 calories, the ranch had 129 calories, the buffalo sauce had 15 calories, the ranch crushed chips had 114 calories, the bell peppers had a total of 18 calories, the shredded chicken had 321 calories, which came to a total of 806 calories. But since it was divided into 6, so the serving size was 134.